have a K-Beauty lip and cheek haul from YesStyle. I do have a code for them and I will have that listed for you. Now I've got about 7 items here. I'm not going to put them on today. I'm just going to go through it because they are so cute. Like all things in other languages, I cannot read it, but this is the first one right here. I absolutely adore the packaging of all these products. Okay, so this says it's in shade number 7. This is Mochi Pura Tint. Mochi Pura Tint. Okay, so this one is actually Japanese. It looks like it's Japanese. It says Can Make Tokyo. I think that's the brand. So, but that is the packaging. Very cutesy. So I'm unsure if this is a lipstick or a lip balm, but that is the color and we're gonna swatch it and find out. This is a lip balm. Look at that color. That is pretty. I actually wear this color quite a bit, so I'm probably gonna use that quite a bit. Okay, the next thing we have here is Spy Family, or Anna Forger Spy Family. And this is the, okay, so it's a lip cream in color Apple. There, you can see it up close. Let's see how it swatches. Okay, this is incredibly sheer. It's on there. You can see the color right there. I can feel it on my hand. So this isn't going to give you a lot of color, but it is moisturizing on the back of my hand. So I think that is pretty enjoyable. Okay, this next thing is My Melody Lip Cream. This is the packaging. Look how cute and adorable that is. This is just a lip balm. It's clear, but it smells amazing. I can't really place what scent this is. I want to say it's like a minty strawberry, but that doesn't even seem right, but it smells so good. I think this one was from Japan too. This, yeah, that's Japan. I guess they're just from different countries, Asian countries. Regardless, I love all of it. Okay, so this next one, I cannot figure out for the life of me the name. I think it's Mentholium. I'm not sure what country this is from, but that is the packaging right. So this one has SPF 20 in it. This says it's in water lip. It says it's in raspberry. Doesn't really have much of a scent to it, and it does go on clear. You can see right there, there's no tint in it. It is pink in color, but there is no tint on it when you swatch it. I have 2 products from Cute Press. This is Sweet Overload Melty Lip, and one is in Cotton Candy, and I don't know what the other one is, but since this one has the name on it, we're gonna open that one, and that is the Cotton Candy. Look at the color in that. That is pretty. Okay, I definitely have, this one definitely has a scent. Definitely smells like cotton candy. This is the color Swatched. It's a nice, pretty color. I did find the name for this one, and this one is Raspberry Jam. This really does smell like raspberry jam. This smells really good. Okay, so this one is the Raspberry Jam, and that one is the Cotton Candy. They both smell really good, and I do like the colors. These are very wearable. Okay, this is adorable. This is Tamagotchi. Yes, believe it or not, Tamagotchi. Remember these? I'm guessing this is a lip balm. I don't really know because I can't read any of it. So the back of it actually says this could be used as a face and eyeshadow. So this is really meant to be a blush or an eyeshadow. So, but yeah, look how cute that is. This is a really pretty pink. Okay, so I have it on right here. And you can see it's very light, very white, and the shimmer is not really showing up, but it is a very pale pink shimmer. So on my cheeks, it would actually work more like a highlight than anything else. The last thing I got is this beautiful shimmer blush. It is more of a blush than shimmer, but there is a little shimmer in it. Yeah, all I know about this is it's Can Make Tokyo. There is the color Swatched. It is almost as pale as my skin, so I'm not really sure how that's going to look on me for a look, but I am going to try it out at some point. That is still really pretty to me. That is it of my beauty haul. thought it was gonna be pretty much just K-Beauty. I couldn't remember, but no, it's a variety of different things from different places, but these are really fun and cute. I'm gonna try these out and, you know, see how they all wear and let you guys know. But anyways, let me know your favorite product down below. I'm interested to see what you guys think of these. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I hope to see you in the next one.